at all. I don't think he's close enough. Mir's on the brink of the MotoGP World Championship. It's going to be a drag to the line for the race win. Who will take it? Oh! Massive high side!
Absolute monster high side for the world champion. Asking too much of the power. Goodness me, that was vicious. Tyres have been cooled. The Marquez then into blockers for the final time. Has he got the job done? He's so hard on that front end. Rins is trying everything to get the Suzuki into contention. They come into Luffield. Surely Rins is not going to try and ride around the outside of Marquez again into Woodco. One corner to go. Marquez versus Rins.
Here we go then, around the final corner. Rins is going to have another look. Surely not around the
He's got the drive. He's done it.
He's going to do it.
Unbelievable.
And what about this last row, Matt? Brock Parks. And yes, your eyes are not deceiving you. It's Valentino Rossi in 26th place. Although we saw Rossi getting instructions from the officials that Cal Crutchlow will be starting next.